Are you struggling with time management during TOEFL speaking tasks? Many test takers feel rushed during this important section. In this video, we will simplify time management strategies. Let's dive into how you can use your time wisely. First, understand the format of the TOEFL speaking section. You have 4 tasks in total. Task 1 requires you to speak about a familiar topic. You have 15 seconds to prepare and 1 minute to respond. Task 2 involves a reading and listening component. Tasks 3 and 4 involve academic content, each with similar timing. Now, let's break down effective time management tips for each task. Begin by practicing your responses with a timer. For task 1, structure your answer quickly. Start with your main point, then add details. For tasks 2 through 4, listen attentively. Take quick notes on key points while you prepare. Aim to organize your thoughts not just in your mind, but on paper too. Practicing with a clock helps you learn pacing. Try to speak clearly and confidently within the given time. Rehearse with sample questions to build your response speed. Another key tip is to stay calm and focused. Avoid rushing through your answers. If you feel nervous, take a deep breath to regain composure. Remember, clarity is more important than speed. Let's consider an example to visualize this process. Imagine you have task 1 about your favorite place. First, outline your answer, location, activities, and memories. Next, take 15 seconds to organize your thoughts. Then, clearly describe your favorite place for 1 minute. You'll notice that practicing this way makes you efficient. Summarizing, knowing the structure helps reduce anxiety. Practice with a timer to improve your pacing. Are you ready to improve your TOEFL speaking skills? Check out the Transform Academy course linked in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful content.